Week 2 on the Topstep $50,000 combine. Monday, clean. Tuesday, I lost control. This is exactly how. Monday, 4 trades, plus $596. No drama, no revenge, just the plan, executed. Monday opened wide. One of those sessions where MNQ runs 40, 50 candles before the first coffee's even cold. My rule is simple. No trades in the first 15 minutes after the open. So I sat. I watched price do what price does on a big open. Push, exhaust, reject. After that first impulse cooled, I had a read. Price had stretched into a clean structural high, no follow-through buying above it, and the lower time frames started rolling over. Bearish shift in market structure, supply sitting above. That's the setup I'd been waiting for. I took the short on MNQ, stop above the swing high, target the next structural low. Nothing fancy, no oversizing. Price worked. I took partial at the first level, held the runner, got flat near the lows. In and out. That's trade 1. Now, second trade, same morning, completely different setup. After that initial sell-off, price built a base on the lows and ran a sweep. Quick wick below the prior support, snapped right back up. Classic liquidity grab. What I was watching for after the sweep was an inverse fair value gap acting as new support. The original IFVG to the downside flips. Once price closes back above it, that level becomes a long entry if it holds. It showed up. IFVG respected. Price held, started building above it. I took the long, and here's where Monday earned its money. The setup played out, the gap held exactly like it's supposed to, but the upward move was choppy, stalling into resistance, no real conviction in the buyers. So I took my partial out, and I didn't wait around for the full move. Could it have run further? Maybe. Could it have rolled over and stopped me? Also, yes. I chose the partial. That's a discipline call, not a setup call. And that's the part I want to highlight, because it's the exact opposite of what I did the next day. End of Monday, plus $596. 4 trades. No overtrading, no chasing, no needing to make something happen. Every entry had a reason. I waited. I watched. I executed. I didn't need it to work. I just took the setup and let it play. That's the version of trading I'm trying to keep. Patient, mechanical, honestly, kind of boring. Now let's get into Tuesday, because Tuesday is where the version of me that just made $600 sat back down at the screen and decided he was a different trader. Day 12. Same charts. Same setups in front of me. Completely different version of me looking at them. Tuesday morning. And what I saw on the chart was actually a real setup. Deep retrace into a higher time frame order block. Sharp wick below. That's a lick sweep. The order block was supposed to act as support. My read, bounce off the OB, long entry, ride the reversal. I took the long. Price did not bounce. It went straight through the order block like the level didn't exist. Here's where Monday me takes the stop, closes the platform, and goes for a walk. Here's what Tuesday me did. I averaged in. I told myself the next level would hold. It didn't. I told myself the level after that would hold. It didn't either. By the time I looked up at the dashboard, I'd taken 13 trades and I was down $438. And I want to be honest about something. The original setup wasn't bad. A liquidity sweep into a major order block is a real trade. It just didn't work this time. That happens. Setups have probabilities, not promises. The problem wasn't trade 1. The problem was every trade after the first stop out. I wasn't trading the chart anymore. I was trading my Monday P and L. I needed it to work because it had worked yesterday. Net across 2 days, I'm still up $157. Technically green. Practically? I gave back 2/3 of a good day because I refused to be wrong. Wednesday through Friday, recap drop Sunday. We'll see if the lesson stuck. Educational content only, not financial advice.